These products are gonna blow your mind. So there's a couple products right now that have been blowing my mind that like kind of stand out from the rest. And I wanted to tell you about them and put them on. Well, I have them all on. What do you guys think? So you tell me. I'm gonna go through it. Follow me. Let's do this. So the first is a tried and true that everyone knows is amazing and like it stands a test of time. And that is, of course, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Okay, so that's a mind-blowing that you already know. But did you know about Cover FX Booster Drops? They have a bunch of them. They have a mattifying one that makes everything mattifying. They have one that has vitamins in it. They have a brightening one. And then this is the SPF Booster Drops. Now, you can take any single foundation, any moisturizer, or you can use them alone, and you can mix it into it. So I just got a little of foundation. I'm gonna drop these in here, do like 4 or 5 drops. Then I'm gonna mix it together, and then I'm gonna put it on. I mean, look at my skin. It's protected and it looks great. If you don't like the feel of SPF and you don't want to see it, but you want to have it because it's so important in our everyday life, these boosters are amazing. All the boosters are amazing. And you can put all the boosters in that too. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, baby, say you love me. As many boosters as you want. So like that to me is pretty mind-blowing. OMG. So another thing, and I know I talk about it all the time, and sometimes you listen to me and sometimes you don't, but I'm obsessed with Lorac's behind the scenes eye primer. Now you can see that this one's like pretty beat. And I will say I think this might be the best eye primer on the market. I've tried them all. But what eye primer does is it takes like the oils, it absorbs the oils from the crease of your eye so that your eyeshadow won't move around. It keeps your eyeshadow on all day, and I have hooded eyes, so like everything disappears on me. This doesn't. And then you know what else it does? I'm gonna take a little of this and put it on my arm. And I'm just gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna show you also how it makes eyeshadow look like the color you buy. Let's get this color, like this like rosy color, right? So we grab a bunch of it. Let's see, I put it on. Now, it doesn't look that great. It's not really, it's fine, but it's not really like giving me this color. When you have an eye primer, you can always see. When you have an eye primer, it looks like the color that you're buying. See? No matter how much I put, it just doesn't get as dark. So that's what an eye primer does. So now I'm just gonna use this and put some on. Whoa, super. So the next thing you guys know I love is a great cat eye. So I'm going to show you how to get the cat eye with a product by a company called Able. This is the eyeliner, and it comes with this soft top. So when you open it, you have the liner, and then this is a little guide that you can use. I've also seen people put the liner here and then stamp. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fill in my eye line with liner, liquid liner. And if you're nervous about it, I suggest doing little marks like this along your eye, just like little dashes, and then you can just go back and forth, okay? I like taking a powder and a brush and kind of practicing that way. That way I can really get the line perfect before I finalize it. Hello, perfect flick. Now I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna just follow up. Like so. How you like them apples? What? Now I will close it. Ta-da! So I talked about this on a live not too long ago. These Bold and Beautifully You lashes, where you take this black eyeliner that's actually magnetic and you put it over your existing liner. I like to do it with the existing liner because then you don't have to depend on this application. Like some people might think this application's a little harder. And don't be shy. You want to make sure you have enough on there that it activates the magnet. So now I gotta let it dry. Drain. It comes with 3. The other pair is in the house because I've worn them before. I'm gonna try these. The shorter end goes here and then it flares out, so let's just do it. You gotta be really nice to them so you don't like mess them up. And then it clicks. Isn't that cray? It clicks to the magnet. Like, how easy is that?
That's insane.
I know. All right, so again, we're gonna take it, click it on. I mean, it's like the easiest lash you'll ever apply. I do have a code, it's Jamie Makeup, so you can get 20% off your order. I'm obsessed, like I can't even deal with how awesome this is. And I think you're gonna be obsessed too. I'm going back to Able because this is another product they came out with that I'm kind of like freaking over. So when I work with clients, I'll just use it right here so you don't make a mess. So I'm gonna do it on my, I know, isn't that genius? Hannah's like freaking out, you guys. So I'm gonna put this here not to mess up my eye makeup. And then you can really get in there. Look how genius is that? And then you don't get any makeup on your eyes. Gorgeous. Love it. Yes, queen, yes. Able, 2 things that are blowing my mind right now. So now we're gonna do Troy Surratt's curlers. These are the best. They work on every eye shape. They're made in Japan. They're amazing. I'm gonna like look in the mirror because I don't wanna like hurt myself. But I love a good curl. So I like to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was that? Ring-a-ding-ding. Oh, the chicken's done. I've been talking about this for a while, and this is like a blowing my mind kind of situation right here. First of all, it comes with this great brush, the Thrive brush, and then this, like obsessed. Look how pretty this is. It comes in 2 different colors, and they both look good on like every skin tone. This is like a lighter pink, and the other one is like a darker, like has a little bit more like plum in it. So, feeling myself just a little bit. And then if you feel like you maybe overdid it a teeny bit, which I don't think I did, but take a little bit of foundation of your choice, and then just blend. Okay, next is Michelle Phan's M Cosmetics, and I am obsessed with her new, these are the lip glosses. They are called the Infinite Lip Cloud Long Wearing Lip Cream. So this color is Rose Nude, and I love this color. So I love the application. It's not just a straight up doe foot. It's got this little like slant in it, so it makes it even easier to line your lips with it or use this as like a pencil. It smells like vanilla dreams. Like you'd want to eat it. Like it's like a vanilla cupcake from Sprinkles, or like from that bakery I love that I always, Susie Cakes. It's like matte but glossy, but like doesn't feel dry. It's hydrating. It's like pretty. The colors are really pretty. The packaging's really pretty. Love that.
It looks so nice with the cheek.
Right?
Yeah, I feel like it's like a mature pink.
A mature pink? What are you saying, Hannah?
I don't know. That's what I got. That's the vibe I got.
I'm just gonna put on my mask here. Hi guys. These are things that blow my mind. This blows my mind too.
There's a video for that.
There's a video for that. We'll link to it. Bye!